Hey there! Today we have an awesome video about Kickstart lined up for you. We're going to walk you through step-by-step how to set up the PSTX Softstarters for kickstarting function. By the end of this, you'll have a solid understanding of the process and ready to tackle it like a pro. Let's dive in. We have divided the video into two sections. 1. What is the kickstart function? 2. How to set up PSTX for kickstart. The kickstart function helps loosen the motor's initial friction by applying a higher voltage level for a set time. This provides enough torque to get the motor moving while still ensuring a soft start. If the kickstart function is enabled on the soft starter, start ramp will follow automatically after the kickstart is performed. Kickstart helps to overcome initial load inertia, especially for applications that needs a little extra push at start. It can be useful for jammed pumps, or if loaded start is required for a crusher or long conveyor applications. Before jumping onto the parameter settings, let's review how to navigate the PSTX Softstarter HMI. Press the top left button for options, go back, or exit. Press the top right button for the menu, select, or save. Use the arrow buttons to navigate. Let's explore the parameters we need to check and figure out how to navigate to the related menu. Go to the Kickstart Setup Parameters by first entering the menu. Select Parameters. Enter the complete list. Navigate to Section 4, Kickstart. Press Select to enter the Kickstart section of the menu. On this menu, you will find three parameters: 4.1, Kickstart; 4.2, Kickstart Level; 4.3, Kickstart Time. We start with the first parameter, 4.1 Kickstart. The kickstart is performed prior to the start ramp and needs to be activated. This parameter enables or disables the kickstart function. It can be set as on or off. Default is off, which means it's disabled by default. Only enable kickstart if your application requires it. Next is the kickstart level parameter. This sets the kickstart level, expressed as a percentage of the rated voltage. The voltage will be increased up to this level during the kickstart period. The setting range is from 50 to 100%. Default value is 70%. And the last parameter we will set is the kickstart time. This determines how long the kickstart voltage is applied before the normal start ramp begins. The available setting range is between 0.2 seconds to 2 seconds. Default value is 0.2 seconds. As an additional note, for PSTX Softstarters, the sequential starting feature also includes kickstart. It is possible to set the kickstart parameters in the same manner, individually for each of the three motors. Important information to take into account. Kickstart parameter settings can change according to your application and conditions. In case of loads that have high starting inertia, increasing the kickstart level and kickstart time may be needed. Keep in mind that the current limit does not work during kickstart.